Day 17 of learning German without memorizing words. Today, we look at the accusative case and why only the men take the hit. When an object in a sentence is directly receiving an action, it enters the accusative zone. Traditional schools make you memorize a massive table of changes for this. Here is the cheat code. Feminine and neuter words have total immunity. Die stays die. Das stays das. The accusative only attacks masculine words. It violently turns der into den. You want to say, I have the dog. A dog is masculine, der Hund. Because you are having it, it takes the hit. Mutate it, ich habe den Hund. But I have the cat, die Katze stays exactly the same. Only the masculine articles mutate when they are targeted. Hit follow for day 18, where we look at the dative parking spot, where every gender gets completely twisted.